Water a flower through a cylindrical pipe of internal diameter 2 cm into a cylindrical tank of base radius 40 cm and a rate of 40 meter per second. Determine the rise level of water in the tank in half an hour. So let's try to understand the question. Water is flowing through a cylindrical pipe. Consider this as a cylindrical pipe. Now we know that water is flowing through it, and the diameter of this pipe we have given is 2 cm into a cylindrical tank whose base radius is 40 cm. This is a cylindrical tank. The base radius is 40 cm and the rate of water flowing is given as 0.4 per milliseconds. So we need to determine the rise in level of water with the time duration of half an hour, that is 30 minutes. If we will convert these minutes into seconds, we will get more accurate results. So let's try to find out how we can do that. So we know that diameter of this pipe is 2 cm. We have given that. Now we will find the radius of the end of the pipe, that is 2 divided by 200 into that becomes 0.01 meter. So let's look at the area of cross section. We have the simple formula pi r1 square. We have the radius, that is 0.01, and we need the pi value of pi, that is 3.14. So we'll simply multiply that and we get this value. Now we know this value. Now we are converting it into per minute, so we are multiplying it with 60, so that becomes 24 meter per minute. So let's look at the volume of water that flows in 1 minute from pipe. That is 24 into radius, the area of cross section, that is 0.01 pi meter cube. So we also have the volume that flows in 1 minute. Now volume of water that flows in 30 minutes. So for 1 minute we had 24. For 30 minutes we'll multiply it by 30. We have find it the value before. For 1 minute we are putting the value, that's it. We are just multiplying it with 30. We have for meters. The radius of cylindrical tank, so this is in centimeter, we'll convert it into meter by dividing it by 100. So let the cylindrical tank be filled to up to h meters. Let the cylindrical tank be filled up to h meter. This is the height to which the cylindrical tank will be filled in 30 minutes. So volume of the water filled tank in 30 minutes is equal to the volume of water flowed in 30 minutes from the pipe. So we have this pi into r square into h, that becomes 0.0 into, we'll substitute the value of pi soon. We have this for this, and for that becomes 0.02. So h equal to 0.16 by 0. The height becomes 0.45 meters. So when we will convert it into centimeter, we need to multiply it by 100. So when we multiply it by 100, we will get 45 centimeter. That will be the total height that will be filled in 30 minutes of time duration.